You gotta encourage everybody. That's what it's all about, encouraging people and getting people to show up to the gym or to at least stay active. That's my thing. Like I said, I'm looking to still go against the top guys. I want John Jones. You're 34, right?
Yeah, right.
I'm 34 too.
Oh, okay, okay. I'll get 34 in August. August 15.
Oh yeah, August 15th. I'm May 1st. I'm May 1st.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
okay,
next year. Next year, my birthday passed. But yeah, happy
okay.
birthday. Happy birthday for you. August. You said August 15th?
Yeah, August 15.
Wow, my son's August 16th.
Okay, okay.
Happy birthday, man. Hopefully you win your match. August 25th, right?
Yeah.
All right, cool, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Throw some good punches, man, for me and my son, Noah. Don't let nobody hit you. hmm Yeah. Yeah. So what do you do for training? Like practicing? Tell us some stuff. What do you do? You putting rocks in your hands? You feel you putting rocks in your hand, throwing punches? What are you doing? Throw some punches. You know, hey. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Show the fans, man. The fans want to see this stuff. This is what we need. I'm about to get up with you, man. Oh yeah. Get it, champ. See, y'all need to watch this. You see this? This is activity. This is how pros do it. We stay active. Keep everything nice and sharp.